I'm pleased to say that we have successfully innovated to achieve a flexible, active learning online environment. For lectures, students have a choice of format. One is where students participate in an interactive lecture video that has embedded quiz questions which need to be answered correctly for the video to proceed. These embedded quizzes reinforces understanding by the instant application of knowledge just learned and allows for critical thinking to develop. Students can also choose to live stream the lecture, where the educator uses online polling questions to interact with all students that reinforces learning and tailors the lesson to the audience based on feedback provided in the poll answers. Online learning can be lonely, and to encourage student engagement with each other and with staff, assessment feedback and answers to curriculum questions are only done through live online consultation with staff. This allows us to connect individually with students, to let them know that we are looking out for them, and to collectively feel the pulse of the cohort.